How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a kegel workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be side clams. This exercise is crazy for the kegel muscles. It's one of my favorite. I like leg openings, side clam, glute bridge. Those are my top three. So with that being said, let's get started. We'll do 10 reps, 10 sets, 100 total repetitions. I'm a big believer in doing high volume for your muscles. So it's not just kegels I do high volume. Generally everything I do high volume. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Again, I've been having a little bit of injury to my groin. And again, that's like your inner thigh. So like right in this area, like your thigh area. A little bit higher, but in that area. And anyways, I think it's from doing all the workouts that I do, because I don't go to the gym anymore. I only do the workouts at home. So I'm thinking it may be because of that, because I do make quite a few videos per day. But at the same time, I'm not gonna stop doing my videos just because I have a little bit of pain. Anywho, I was on my Reddit forum. I was talking to the people on there, and we just got in a conversation about like, what do you really want out of life? Like, what are your goals? Like, what is your ideal life? So again, we're doing a kegel workout right now. I just want to talk about this just because it's something on my mind. And again, in my videos, I talk whatever's on my mind, you guys. So hopefully you guys do enjoy it. I try to make the videos a little bit interesting. I know a lot of people, when they do their workout videos, they have music playing, blah, blah, blah. I like to talk to you guys. I like to interact, get that personal feeling between us. So anyways, like, what is your perfect life? Like, if you could imagine it, what is your day-to-day life like if you can have whatever you want? If someone said you can have whatever you want, what would it be? This is my ideal life. Now, it's super lame, but this is what would make me 100% happy. First thing, no work. No work, no work. The reason for that is I don't like being told what to do or doing something that I do not like. So again, when I ask people, do you enjoy work? I've done my research on this, and I've read surveys, studies, and the same conclusion and the same outcome basically happens, and it is that 90% of people hate their jobs. That's what all these surveys are saying, all these different studies. 90% of people hate their jobs. That's 90% of people that are unhappy for half of their day. Now, generally, a work day is 8 hours. Then you get generally 8 hours to yourself, and then about 8 hours of sleep. So I don't consider the sleep. You have to sleep. So I really don't include that in your day. So I consider the 8 hours that you're working, the 8 hours that you're at home. So when you're at home, obviously you're happy unless there's some issues going on. But I would say that 90% of people are happy when they are at home because they can do whatever the hell they want. That's 8 hours out of their day. So that's half their day. Why not have the other half happy too? Well, we need to work. People need to work unless you get an inheritance. Unless your parents are rich, you don't have to work, but that's very few people. I'm talking about the majority of people who have to work to make a living. So my ideal life would be not to work. So until I have that, I do not have my dream life yet. My life is still really good. I enjoy my life. I have fun. I love making these videos for you guys. But we were talking again on my Reddit forum, and they were asking, well, what do you want to get out of your life? And the first thing I said is no work. I hate when someone tells me what to do, and that's what work is. You got a boss, he's telling you what to do basically all day. He might not be telling you, hey, do this, do this, do this, but that's what you're doing. You're working for him or you're working for the company. Hell no, I don't want to do that. So yeah, number one thing, no work. the second thing, I would be super duper chill throughout the day. I was laid off for a bit, only about 3 to 4 months, so it wasn't really that long. But in those 3 to 4 months, it was probably the best time of my life because I did not have to go to work for about 4 months. It was amazing, and I was getting paid. I was getting paid too. It was you don't get paid that much when you're on EI, but anyways, I did the ideal life for me, and it was what I did when I was laid off is I got up in the morning, went to the gym, came home, generally went for a nap, watched some MTV. I know MTV, whatever, I like it. Watched some of that. Then my wife got home. Like literally the day went by and I slept in. Literally the day went by that fast. Like I slept in, got up, went to the gym for about an hour and a half, came home, had lunch, went for a nap, watched some TV. Wife was already home by then. And when she gets home, I really don't count that because then we're doing things together, and that's not really my life because I mean it's my life, but you guys know what I mean. Like, what's your ideal life? I don't know. Like, I guess I would count it. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Yes, it does count, but I mean, spending time with her is amazing. So that's why I'm just gonna stop talking. I honestly don't know what I was getting at that. But anyways, that would be my ideal life. Doing that, waiting till the wife comes home, spending time with her, and yeah, I could literally do. Oh, sorry, and making YouTube videos in there. I find a couple hours to make YouTube videos because again, I gotta keep the channel growing. So yeah, that's basically it. Now people will be like, well, what are you doing during the day? Well, I'm making YouTube videos. That's my business, and yeah, I'm helping people out. So if people are like, oh, you're not doing anything, actually, I got a shit ton of subscribers, and I'm helping a lot of people get 1.5 million views per month on my channel. So obviously, I'm helping quite a few people. So that would be my life. That would be the day-to-day, and honestly, that would make me happy. The biggest thing, don't get me wrong, I don't mind my job right now, but it's not ideal in my opinion. What's ideal for me, again, it's not money. I do not give two craps about money. The reason why I do a full-time job right now isn't because of the money. It's because of what the money allows me to do, and that is get closer to not working. So yeah, again, I don't mind it, but I don't go into work to have fun. Like, it's not my passion to go to work every day, if you guys know what I mean. So again, I'm slowly working to the life that I want to do. Now, some people retire at 65. Hell no. Hell no. In my opinion, once you hit 65, like, I used to think 65 was old. I really don't think 65 is that old anymore. I'm still going to be killing it at 65 and be super ripped. But 65 is getting up there in age. And in my opinion, you want to be spending the majority of your time doing what you like, anywhere from about 40 to 60. That is kind of your prime age, aside from 20 to 30. In my opinion, 20 to 30 is a good chunk of your life. It might be one of the funnest times of your years. So 20 to 30, I mean, you really have to work when you're 20 to 30. So there's really nothing with doing that. You kind of have to, but you can definitely control between 40 to 60, no problem. So I would ideally like to retire when I'm like 38, 40, fully retired, not semi-retired. I was talking to you guys about going semi-retired next year. I'm still debating that, but again, just talking about it on Reddit, seeing other people's views on it, getting strategies for more investments, stuff like that. So it's really sweet. Again, if I bored you during this video, I do apologize. Again, during my rest periods, I talk whatever's on my mind, and that's been on my mind lately. But anyways, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, please like the video, share it. please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. Thanks.